Guess who's back again. If this is your first time here, click that subscribe button and don't forget to thumbs up the video if you enjoy it. I'm here on the YT sharing my July 2019 digital planner layout. It's the summer. Let's get ready with these colors. The color palette that I decided to use is yellow, orange, green, and white. The programs that I use is the Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, GoodNotes, and Adobe Auto Sketchbook. So this is my monthly view. So we're going to get this started. Put in the month of July, the year of 2019. We have 31 days this month. For my weekly, this is the layout that I'm going to use. I'm just going to add little circles. And I'm going to go back and put the date in each of those circles. I also have a to-do list at the bottom and my notes section at the bottom. So one thing I didn't like was the circles was not unified throughout. So what I did do was for the following weeks, I went in and used the lasso tool that's in GoodNotes and just copied it, pasted, and used that throughout the rest of the planner. Then I'm gonna go in, add my numbers. So we have the 8th, the 9th, the 10th, 11th, the 12th, 13th, and the 14th. I'm going to go into the next week. It's GoodNotes. So the last thing that you copy and paste will still be there. I'm just going to use that, put my circles in to once again make sure that they're all unified. We got the 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, the 20th, and the 21st. I also decided that I want to put in a spending log and a packaging log. So these I created in Auto Sketchbook. And I imported a template already. And just continuing with the same colors, the yellow, the orange, the green, and the white. Then I'm going to add my rings, plug it into my GoodNotes digital planner. My headings going to be item, date, how much spent, and whether it was a need or a want. And this is just going to help me track where I'm overspending on things that I want. Now here I used the green for the money sign, and then I realized, wait a minute, this green actually looks really good. So I went back, changed everything to green. And when I said everything, I meant everything. I even went back in and took out the numbers from the orange and switched it into the green. And I think this really made the layout pop and look even better. So here I just did a quick flip through so you can see where I'm at so far. Like I said, I went back in, changed all the orange into the green. Love the way it looks. So this is my final layout of my July 2019 planner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.